Pathophysiology of chronic kidney disease, CKD, step-by-step process. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, refers to the progressive, irreversible loss of kidney function over time. The pathophysiology involves a sequence of events that culminate in kidney damage, impaired filtration, and systemic complications. Step 1. Initial kidney injury or insult. Causes: diabetes mellitus, hypertension, glomerulonephritis, polycystic kidney disease, lupus nephritis, etc. Mechanism: these conditions initiate damage to nephrons, functional units of the kidney, glomeruli, or renal vasculature. Step 2. Nephron loss and compensatory hyperfiltration. Fewer functional nephrons, remaining nephrons hyperfilter to compensate. This leads to glomerular hypertension and hypertrophy. Increased glomerular capillary pressure accelerates damage to remaining nephrons. Step 3. Glomerular sclerosis and tubulointerstitial fibrosis. Persistent hyperfiltration and proteinuria cause glomerular sclerosis, scarring of the glomeruli. Tubulointerstitial fibrosis, deposition of extracellular matrix in the tubules and interstitium. Inflammatory cytokines, e.g. TGF-beta, IL-1, TNF-α, contribute to fibrosis and scarring. Step 4. Progressive nephron damage and loss. Ongoing fibrosis and inflammation reduce the number of functioning nephrons. This creates a vicious cycle of further hyperfiltration and damage to remaining nephrons. Step 5. Decline in glomerular filtration rate, GFR. As nephrons are lost, the GFR progressively declines. Stages of CKD are classified based on GFR. Stage 1, GFR 90, normal with damage. Stage 2, GFR 60 to 89, Stage 3AB. GFR 45 to 59, 30-44. Stage 4, GFR 15 to 29. Stage 5, end-stage renal disease. GFR 50. Step 6, uremia and accumulation of toxins. As GFR drops, kidneys fail to excrete waste products, urea, creatinine. Uremia develops, leading to systemic symptoms: fatigue, nausea, confusion, pericarditis, pruritus, and bleeding. Step 7, disturbances in fluid, electrolyte, and acid-base balance. Sodium and water retention, edema, and hypertension. Hyperkalemia, due to reduced potassium excretion. Metabolic acidosis, due to decreased acid excretion and bicarbonate reabsorption. Step 8, anemia and bone mineral disorders. Anemia, due to decreased erythropoietin production. Renal osteodystrophy, impaired phosphate excretion and low vitamin D activation, secondary hyperparathyroidism, and bone demineralization. Step 9, cardiovascular complications, major cause of death in CKD. Contributing factors: hypertension, hyperlipidemia, vascular calcification, anemia, fluid overload. Step 10, end-stage renal disease, ESRD. Complete or near-complete loss of renal function, requires renal replacement therapy, dialysis, hemodialysis, peritoneal dialysis, kidney transplantation. Hatch summary diagram: initial insult, nephron injury, hyperfiltration, glomerulosclerosis, fibrosis, GFR decline, uremia and toxin buildup, electrolyte imbalance and acidosis, anemia and bone disease, cardiovascular issues, ESRD. Thank you. Have a nice day.